Morning. Before I start over at the workshop, there's a couple of things I need to get done here. What are the important things? Shower, tablets, pack bag. What else? I want to call universal credit. I've got a package to open. I've got a fridge I need to clean and list. There was something else as well. Eat coffee. That'll do. That's a good start. 7, 8, 9. Well, I can get 2 of these 6 off the list straight away. Tablet. And coffee which I've made. Right, time to get the rest of them done. Hello. This light above the mitre source station is only sort of wired in very temporarily, and I'm not sure if it's the LED driver or the wiring around it, because when I do this it comes on and off, but I want to sort that because it's just quite annoying. It keeps cutting in and out. So yeah, it's definitely this end, but I can't tell if it's the way that sort of the seating of this or if there's an actual problem with the driver. I bought 6 of these at the time, 5 of which are up in here and 1 of which is up in the sort of old single garage, which I initially used as a workshop before I took over this building. And so I got 1 spare. So I'll go and grab that driver and switch them out and see if that makes a difference. So here's the other one. So I'll grab that driver and see if it improves the situation, and at least I can rule out wiring. Right, so I've got the driver, lights are off, so I open up the garage and I'll switch them out, see what happens. There's just one issue with having the garage open, and that's I can't access the light I'm trying to fix, so close that one again. When I wired this in, I didn't understand about the regulations regarding electrical cable. This is the old style, the white insulated cable with the red and black. So I'm going to switch that out for, this is 2.5mm as well, which is for sockets, and that's not required for lighting. So I can use this 1mm stuff, and I will tidy this all up at some point. It's not what I would call good wiring, but I'll at least make it safe. Oh, right. Because these are 12 volt, I'm not sure what I've got to do with the earth here. I'll research that in a second, but for the moment I'll just leave it. Do. Right, and where I've used the Wago connectors, it means I can do all this without actually touching any of the wires. Right, that's on. Yeah, wiring in the driver, so that's fixed. Need to just temporarily get this up here and sort the earthing, sort the earth wire on each end, but sorted for the moment. Up there, let me just give you an example here. So I'm going to take about this much, so I'll do that minus the recommended amount that you insert into the Wago connector, so about there. Let's try that. Then I'll put that on there, like so. And I'll take a Wago connector, slide that on like so. And then that's nicely sheathed and terminated. So that's what I'll do up there.
Universal credit. This is a free call. About your information rights and how we use information. Please see our personal
Just
information chart.
ask if I want
UK.
to skip this, please.
Please listen carefully to all the options as they have changed. If you're calling about a universal credit appointment, press 1. For universal credit query, press 2. To make a new claim for new style employment and support allowance, press 3. To apply for an advance payment, press 4. If you're calling about a universal credit appointment, press 1. For a universal credit query,
I've done this.
to make a new claim for new style.
Thanks. Remember, you can view your statement.
Thanks.
Check when. To help us identify your account, we'll need you to enter your date of birth. Remember, if register date of birth as 1992. If that's correct, press 1. Please hold. You're in a queue, and your call will be answered as soon as possible.
You're going to tell me where in the queue I am?
Please hold. You're in a queue, and your call will be answered
Can't
as
be
soon
there.
as possible.
Probably about time for my afternoon tablet. Hi there. I had an appointment last week, and I've got some stuff I want to sort out regarding my housing benefit, and I was advised to phone you so that you can set me up an appointment with the housing benefits team.
Housing benefit team?
Yeah,
Okay, let's see. Are you on Universal Credit already?
yeah, I've got an active claim.
Okay, let me look into this. Can I take your last name and your postcode, please?
It's
Oh,
oh,
not the postcode out. It's not going through.
Oh, is it still linked to what was it? Delta Delta.
That's not the one.
Eh?
Any other one?
No, they would be the only.
Give me the first one you gave me before. The first one, let's see. Let's try it again.
Yeah, and then Delta Romeo.
Bear with me, let me see what's going on. Sometimes it's just the system, and that's all. Type in the details and it will give
It could be my surname. It's a funny spelling, isn't it?
No, but I spelled it correctly because you spelled W.
WADD.
Okay, let's start again then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, let me just bring up the NATO alphabet. So I can only remember some of them. Okay, NATO phonetic alphabet. Right, so it's. Oh, come on! Oh, what the hell? Why did it cut me off?